In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain with WP Engine hosting. This is a must-watch for anyone looking to streamline their online presence by pairing a domain name purchased from GoDaddy with the robust hosting services offered by WP Engine. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to access your WP Engine account. Head over to the WP Engine website and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the site environment you wish to connect with your GoDaddy domain. You will likely see options such as production and staging. Ensure you select the production environment for your live website. Next, it's time to add your domain in WP Engine. Look for the domain section within your site's dashboard. Here, you will find a button that says Add Domain. Clicking this will prompt you to enter the domain name you purchased from GoDaddy. Carefully type it in and click Next. As soon as your domain has been added, WP Engine will display a set of name and a record details. These are key to linking your domain to your hosting environment. Make sure to copy these details accurately as you'll need them shortly. Now it's time to switch over to GoDaddy. Log into your GoDaddy account and locate the My Products section. From there, navigate to Domains and then find the specific domain you wish to connect. Click on DNS to gain access to your domain's DNS settings. Once you're in the DNS area, you're going to update the records based on the information you copied from WP Engine. Search for the A record first and edit it to match the WP Engine IP address you previously copied. This directs any requests for your domain to the server where your website resides. After updating the A record, locate the CNAME record, often labeled as www, and set it to your WP Engine domain, something like your site, pengine.com. Remember, it's critical these entries are correct for your domain to function properly with your hosting. Once updated, ensure to save all changes. This usually involves simply clicking a Save Changes or similar button. Pat yourself on the back, you're making fantastic progress. Now let's verify this connection. Return to your WP Engine dashboard where the domain was initially added. Find the option to verify your domain, which helps WP Engine verify proper DNS setup. If everything was entered correctly, once verified, you will see an option to set this domain as your primary domain. Clicking on Set as Primary Domain will ensure that all traffic is correctly directed to your new domain name. Lastly, let's secure this connection with an SSL certificate. In WP Engine, navigate to the SSL section under your dashboard and select Add Certificates. Choose the free Let's Encrypt option to provide HTTPS security for your site. After clicking Activate SSL, WP Engine will complete the installation. And there you have it. Your GoDaddy domain is now seamlessly connected to your WP Engine hosting, complete with SSL security. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.